Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? The following text is adapted from George Bernard Shaw's 1912 play Pygmalion. Henry Higgins has just arrived at the house of his mother, Miss Higgins. She is expecting her friends to visit soon. Miss Higgins: I'm serious, Henry. You offend all my friends. They stop coming whenever they meet you. Higgins: Nonsense. I know I have no small talk, but people don't mind. Miss Higgins: Oh, don't they? Small talk indeed. What about your large talk? Really, dear, you mustn't stay. So overall, the text highlights an interaction between Miss Higgins and Higgins, where Miss Higgins highlights how Henry offends all her friends, and they stop coming whenever they meet him. And then Higgins replies with people don't mind his small talk or his large talk. And then Miss Higgins shows that she doesn't want him to stay. So let's look at the option choices. A. Describe what Henry's mother does when she goes out with her friends. This is incorrect because nothing in the text says anything about what Miss Henry's mother does when she goes out with her friends. Instead, it shows an interaction between Henry and his mother. So A is incorrect. B. To show that Henry's mother wants him to leave. This seems to be the correct answer because the text is focused on this interaction between Henry and his mother, where Miss Higgins, or Henry's mother, wants Henry to not wants him to leave because he offends all her friends, and they stop coming when they meet him. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. To present a detailed account of what Henry's home looks like. This is incorrect because the setting of this interaction is Henry's mother's home, not Henry's home. Nothing is mentioned at all of Henry's home. Therefore, we don't have a detailed account of what Henry's home looks like. So we can eliminate option choice A. D. To explain why Henry often visits his mother. This is incorrect because this is not mentioned at all in the text, because the text focuses on the interaction between Henry and his mother, where his mother wants Henry to leave because she is expecting her friends to come. So because of this, we can eliminate option choice D, and that leaves us with option choice B as the correct answer.